Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix DNS probe finished NX domain error in Google Chrome. Let's fix it guys. First thing you want to do is right click on the start icon and select run. In run window you just need to type ncpa.cpl, type it and click on OK. Right click on the internet you are using it, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. I am using Ethernet connection. Right click on it and select properties and select the internet protocol version 4 and select properties again. Select the use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888 and 8844. Click on OK and now check your problem has been resolved or not guys. If this solution doesn't work for you, let's change the IP address again. Click the internet protocol version 4 again and select properties guys. Now change it to 111 and 1001. Click on OK and check whether your problem has been resolved or not. If you still having a problem, let's move on to the final third solution guys. Hopefully this can able to resolve a problem. Go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy with the Ctrl C and paste with the Ctrl V and paste it in one by one. Successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Now close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. Hopefully your problem will be resolved at this point. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.